Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to work with a movie clip and dynamic text. So I've created a simple program which is about showing information for a particular country. As you can see, I've got a map for the United Kingdom, which is here, and showing some text when you hover the mouse over. That's that dynamic text field, and also I've got a Greece, which is say some text when you hold the mouse over, and I've got a Bulgaria. Yeah, and I know it's not the proper world map, but just as an example which I can show you. So I'm gonna open a new Flash document, so it's ActionScript 3, and first thing what I will do is to create a background layer and layer for ActionScript 3. So right, so we've got a blank document. We need to modify this document. We need to say pixels 500, and we need to say hey for 600 pixels, and also we need to choose it's up to you. I would say blue background. So let's click OK and see, yeah, it appears. And oh, sorry. Also, I need to add to my library of those pictures which I'm going to be using it. So that's my full Bulgaria, as you can see, UK. As you can see, guys, it's converted as PNG, and I'm gonna be converting it as a movie clip. So let's add those to stage 1, which is that's stage 1 frame or frame 1. And let me resize those. Right. So let's imagine the blue color is a C. Right, and we need to convert this into a movie clip. How we can do? Right click, select a particular item, right click, convert the symbol, movie clip, or we can convert into a button or graphic, but we need a movie clip. So I'm gonna give an instance name which is going to be as a movie clip into our library. So we say movie clip the UK, it's going to be the United Kingdom, and click OK. So when we have a movie clip file into our library, which we're going to be using it, right? Oh, sorry. We repeat the step for each item. Comment symbol. Movie PNG. Movie clip. Make sure the type is movie clip. And the folder is library root. Right. Right click on this. Window symbol. The Greece. Right. So we have 4 instances of movie clips. Yeah, as you can see, if we drag in this, so we've got 2 objects which look like the Bulgarian map. So when we click, you can see, oh, that's the PNG file. And then click on this, you can see, oh, hey, that's the movie clip. So make sure all of those are different. You know, just the icon here that shows is a movie clip. This shows is a PNG file. So let's get rid of this. Right, and the next thing what we need to do goes here, clicks on the first frame and make sure it pops up ActionScript frame, and we'll go and say MV create So if we type mv3, that means we use the movie clip dot add event listener, which means add something which is gonna be expecting, and we say mouse event. So this movie clip will expect us to do something with the mouse, and we say dot what type of mouse interaction, and we say mouse over, oh sorry, mouse over, mouse over. Make sure the blue text appears, or otherwise you will get a syntax error. And we say function name mouse over grease, or you can type whatever your function you want to, right? And after we say mouse function, we say function, this function mouse over green listens for event. It's gonna be listening for event, new mouse event, not whatever kind of event. So it's going to return void curly brackets, and we say this object here, will receive of alpha of mv3 dot alpha dot 0.7. So as we hover, we'll change the alpha. So let me show you. Let me run this. Oh, it's just unvetted mv3. Yes, that's why if you create any object type of symbols or buttons or movie clips or bitmaps, you need to give us instance name. So as you can see, we don't have a instance name. We can use this as many times as we want, this object here, but we need to give a different instance name. So I'm gonna give an instance name of mv movie clip create, and make sure you have the same time as you said here, mv create. So now let's learn it. Yep, we don't have any output errors or any compiler errors. So we go here and we need to add alpha color. Let me see, it's gonna be 17. Right, okay, we have it. But what about if we want to move the mouse out? So we need to declare a function and add event listener. When we hover the mouse out, when the mouse is not over this object, when you say mouse out, and we need to say a function for that, which is mouse out grain. I will name this function like that. You can type whatever you want to name you would like to. Mouse out grain. We say listen for mouse event. So it's not going to return anything. Let me see. mv green. Make sure you change this default settings. Alpha dot 1. Now let me run this. Right, so as you can see, we don't we don't have anything happening. Why? Because we need to change those values. Yep, now it works. Why it does work this way? Because if we go here and say properties and say 1, actually we don't see anything. There is 17 by default. That means when the mouse is over, this gives us a value of 1, but by default it's 17. So mouse. That's it. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll show in the next video how to complete the tutorial.